Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home. So, student, in last class, you read about the classification of computer. Okay, student. So, second chapter, classification of computer. Okay, students. Let's go. Second chapter. So today we will write the question answer from this chapter. Okay. So first of all, let's revise the classification of computer. So the computer are classified into two categories. Yes, student. According to size and according to purpose. So according to size, computer are divided into four parts, four different types. Yes, first supercomputer, that's mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. Clear, student? Classification of computer. So that's computer classified in two categories. First, according to size and according to purpose. Okay, so according to size, to the computer divided into four parts. Okay, supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer and microcomputer. And you know about the supercomputer. Supercomputer are the largest and fastest computer. So that's mainframe computer are used to commercial application. Okay, and largest scale computing. So mini computer are also called workstation. Okay, and microcomputer are the smallest computer. Okay, often called PC. PC, that means personal computer, student. Clear? And that's according to purpose. So according to purpose, that's category into three part. Okay, three types. First, that's analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. Okay, yes. So that's according to purpose, computer are divided into three different types. Okay, so analog computers work on principle of analog data. Okay, yes. And digital computers store data in terms of digit and work on the principle of binary mathematics. Yes, digital computer and hybrid computer accept analog signal and convert them to digital. Okay, yeah. So that's complete your second chapter revision. Okay, revision of second chapter. And so let's start the question answer. So your question, first name the two category of computer. So student, okay. So your first answer is very short. Very short answer. So first, okay student. So I will not write the question. Okay. Yes, I will write the answer direct. Okay. Yes, with number also here, and you write question and then after answer. Okay, in notebook. So first, name the two category of computer. So name the two category of computers. First, according according to size, and second according to purpose. Okay, yes. So here two type, and that's your answer. And second question, name the computer used for weather maps, construction of atom bombs, etc. So name the supercomputer. The supercomputer used for weather maps, construction of atom bombs, etc. Okay, student, clear? Yes, your question is name the computer used for weather map, construction of atom bomb, etc. So super computer. Okay, and that answer. Clear? And your third question is what do supercomputing means? So supercomputing means supercomputing means mass computing at ultra high speed. Okay, students? So that's supercomputing means mass computing at ultra high speed. Okay? Yes. So that means supercomputing. Okay? And your fourth question is write the other name of mini computer. So students, write the other name of mini workstation, the other name of mini computer. So workstation, the other name of mini computer. Clear, student? Yes. And your fifth question Name the computer designed for a single user with a multiple of various tasks. So complete to all 1 to 4 question. Yes. So, fifth question. Name the computer. So, microcomputer designed for a single user with a multitude of various tasks. Okay, so your answer is microcomputer. Microcomputer designed for a single user with a multitude for various tasks. Okay, student. And your last question is name the world's first analog computer. Okay, student. So write the answer. The world's first world's first analog computer whenever bus differential analyzer okay student yes so what's first analog computer whenever bus differential analyzer okay student clear the all very short question and your short answer next question is short yes this is A very short and next B short answer okay so complete very short 6 of them That's B short answer. So your first question is write the difference between. So here two. First, super computer and here micro computer. Okay student, here asking between the difference between the supercomputer and microcomputer. So write about that. First, supercomputer. First, you will be right about the supercomputer. So supercomputer is the largest and fastest and very expensive. Okay students, very expensive computer and supercomputer are mainly used for the heavy stuff like controlling satellite, and weather forecasting and finding oil. Okay, and then so etc. Okay, and about the microcomputer here. Microcomputer computers are the smallest computers and most likely to be found on our desks, table, offices and everywhere. Okay. Yes. And micro. And that it designed for a single user with a multitude of various types of task. Okay, student? Yes. So, and micro computers often called PC. Okay, student? So that's clear. Difference between software and microcomputers. Supercomputer is the largest, fastest and very expensive computer, and that supercomputers are mainly used for heavy stuff like controlling satellite, weather forecasting, finding iron, okay, and satellite images, etc. And microcomputer are the smallest computer, most like to be found on our desk, table, offices, and everywhere. It designed for a single user with a multitude of various types of tasks, and microcomputer often called PC. PC means personal computer, student. Okay, so complete your very short answer and one of short answer. So in next class we will discuss about the other question answer. Okay, students, so please learn the very short answer and one short answer, okay, and write in notebook. Thank you so much, students.